Performance gives our work meaning. Great leaders build cultures that motivate. Here's how. Step 1. Set crystal clear expectations. People need to know what success looks like. Vague goals lead to confusion. Step 2. Train, equip, and empower the team. You can't expect a team to perform if they're not set up to win. You owe your team that as the leader. Step 3. Inspect what you expect. Track results. Not to blame, but to understand, support, and improve. Step 4. Create meaningfully different experiences. Everyone's experience should reflect how they're doing. Underperformers get structure. Steady performers get stability. Top performers get recognition and growth. When you successfully employ these steps, you create a team that wants to win. That's a performance-driven culture. And it starts with you. Create the culture. Performance will follow.